Hello, I am Anne. Welcome to our today's video about using intermittent fasting for weight loss. First, let's define intermittent fasting. It is an eating pattern that involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting. There are a few different ways to do it, but one common method is to fast for 16 hours and then eat during an 8-hour window. Now, let's look at what the science says about intermittent fasting for weight loss. According to a review published in the journal Nutrients, intermittent fasting has been shown to be an effective weight loss strategy and may also have other health benefits. Another study published in the Journal of the American Medical Association found that people who did intermittent fasting lost significantly more weight and body fat compared to those who followed a traditional calorie restriction diet. But weight loss is not the only benefit of intermittent fasting. Research has also shown that it can improve insulin sensitivity, lower blood pressure, and reduce inflammation. So, how do you get started with intermittent fasting? Here are 5 tips. Choose a fasting schedule that works for you. Some people prefer the 16/8 method, while others may do better with a longer fast of 18 to 20 hours. You can even start with something like 14/10 and slowly increase it to adjust the body to the new regime. Let's say you choose a 16/8 pattern and you eat your last meal at 8 p.m. Then your next meal should be around 12 p.m. the next day. This is not that hard to achieve and will help your digestive system work a lot. Don't compensate for the fasting period by eating more during the eating window. It's important to stick to your normal calorie intake. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water during the fasting period. You can also drink plain tea or coffee. There are also carbonated flavored water in shops, but be sure they do not contain sugar or artificial sweeteners, as that will definitely prevent your fasting. Eat a healthy diet. Intermittent fasting is not an excuse to eat unhealthy foods. Focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods. Most often you will give up one dish during the day, so it is important that your other dishes contain the right amount of nutrients such as vitamins and microelements. Gradually work up to longer fasting periods. If you're new to intermittent fasting, start with a shorter fasting window and gradually increase it over time. When you feel comfortable with intermittent fasting, try also prolonged fasting for even greater benefits like stem cells increase and longevity. Let's make a personal example. What is my way of doing intermittent fasting? I used to never imagine not eating breakfast. We were brought up in such a way that we were told that breakfast is the most important meal of the day. This is fiction. I skip breakfast completely and consume my first meal around 2 p.m., which gives me 18 hours without eating and a 6-hour window for eating. As a rule, I spend my mornings actively, running, going to the swimming pool and working intensively. In the morning I only drink coffee, which helps me block the feeling of hunger and get the job done efficiently. My weight is stable, and if I want to lose extra pounds I do prolonged fasting, which will be discussed in our other video. In conclusion, intermittent fasting can be an effective tool for weight loss and improving overall health. Just be sure to do it in a way that works for you and always listen to your body. If you are pregnant, diabetic, or have had mental problems, especially due to eating disorders, consult your doctor if changing your eating pattern to intermittent fasting will definitely be right for you. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to help us grow the channel. See you in the next video.